Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to add music to Instagram post. So let's get started. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device and go to your profile. And simply tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to create a new post. Then tap on the photo or video for your post. Then tap on the next icon and tap on the music sticker icon located at the top of the screen. This will open Instagram's music library. Browse through available songs in the music library or use the search bar to find a specific song. Once you have found a song you like it, tap on it to select it. You can then choose the specific segment of the song that you want to include in your post by adjusting the slider bar below the song preview. Instagram allows you to select up to 15 seconds of a song. After that, tap on the next icon. Then simply add the caption or anything you want to. Then, once you are satisfied with your post, tap on your s- share button and it will share on your Instagram feed. Wait for it to be uploaded. So here it is uploaded. That is it. Your post will now include the selected music, allowing your followers to listen it to while viewing your content. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.